Hello and welcome. Today I am unboxing this pretty awesome handmade juice extruder. Excellent for lemons. Apples, I do not recommend this. Oranges, I haven't tried, but I'm assuming it will work the same for oranges as it does a pretty good job squeezing all the juice out of the lemon. This device is aluminum, although I prefer stainless steel. Both are corrosion resistant, and stainless steel has the coronium added to it, which gives it that extra layer of protection. Nonetheless, both are corrosion resistant, which is awesome, and the aluminum is a lot lighter in weight, making it more cost effective. One of the things I'm grateful for using this device is I no longer have to put up with the seeds in my hot water every morning.